Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 44 in Alternative Energy Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 319. Which of the following statements is false? And they all have to do with compact fluorescent lights. Well, I would like to show you exactly what they look like. I took a bunch of them and laid them down on a towel and put them under a light in my kitchen. An incandescent light, I might add. Took my handy-dandy iPad, took a picture of a few of them. This one up at the upper left here is a 40-watt equivalent compact fluorescent light. This one here, the third one, is a 60-watt equivalent compact fluorescent light. Now notice that these fluorescent tubes are actually exposed in these two, the one at the upper left and the one here more or less in the middle. These other three are 25-watt equivalent compact fluorescent lamps, and they have a secondary shell over the inside fluorescent tube, and that's always a good thing, because these fluorescent tubes do emit some ultraviolet light, and that ultraviolet can be irritating. It's kind of harsh to look directly at them, and some people have reported skin reactions and things like that from them. I haven't suffered any such fate like that from these, but these secondary shells also help to protect in case you drop one of them. You're less likely to break the actual fluorescent tube itself, which is not a good thing. Anyway, getting back to the question itself, we have here a situation where we have 5 different choices. They lose a little bit of brilliance as they age. Well, that statement is true. Most definitely true. If you break one, you must take special precautions to clean up the mess. Well, that is also true because they contain mercury. This is outlined in the book. You need to wear a special mask. You can buy them at most department stores. One of those virus masks that you see people wearing when they're all afraid they're going to get the flu or give it to someone else. Dust mask, basically. C, if the temperature falls far below freezing, CFLs might not start up. That is also true. So we can rule out choices A, B, and C because they're all true. Choice E, CFLs can sometimes interfere with wireless devices. Yes, they certainly can, and I've seen it happen. But choice D is false. CFLs produce more light per unit surface area than any other lamp type. Well, the type that I've seen that produces the most light per unit surface area of actual active material is a halogen light, a halogen incandescent light. Incandescent lights also do, but fluorescent lights generally produce a lot less light per surface area than other types. And that was a challenge originally to make these compact fluorescent lamps work. It was a difficult thing to get these things compact enough and still have them be bright enough to be of any use. But anyway, once again, the correct choice here is D. Compact fluorescent lamps produce more light per surface area than any other lamp type? Absolutely not.